Hello. As you can see, we have a blizzard. Huskies outside. Loving it. And I'm doing a video on how to do, well, a tri-tip, basically in a blizzard. And I chose the 22-inch Weber charcoal grill instead of the smoker or the gas grill, so I figured it would be the hardest one to do because it's gonna have a really hard time maintaining temp. And see how it goes. Okay, so this is what I rigged up. Snow's going that way, so I put the lid up at an angle, try to block some of the snow, keep the charcoals as dry as I could. The bottom ones are lit. It's gonna take probably about another half hour or so to get the rest lit. And yeah, we'll get the meat ready. You can see wind picking up, charcoal starter really getting up there with all the wind. But yeah, we're about 15 minutes in, and probably another 20 minutes till the charcoal's ready. Alright, fire's going. Got a piece of hickory. Grab the tri-tip, put on the opposite side, do some indirect heat. Grab a little snacking sausages, kielbasa's. There you go. And yeah, I'll check around about those on about 5 minutes. I gotta minimize opening this lid. I'm gonna go wide open on the bottom, and I'm even gonna leave the lid cracked, maybe like a ½ inch, just because it's so cold. But yeah, check on it a little bit. Moved to the garage, better lighting, no wind. The snow is still going down pretty much that way. And yeah, so meat's on the fire. Got about an hour for that to get up to temp, 145. Usually it's 135, but she doesn't like medium rare as much. So we'll go 145. Should take about an hour, maybe longer, because it's pretty cold out. And we'll check on her. Oh, it's up to 1:30. It's been about 45 minutes now, and still snowing like crazy right now, but the temp is holding pretty good. Fire's still red hot, so that's good. I thought it would probably be a cold fire with it being so snowy out, but I give it another probably 15-20 minutes. I'll check on it another 15, and hopefully it's right around that 145 mark, and then I'll move it over to the hot side and sear both sides and see how it turns out. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Little focus. 145 on the dot. So now we'll take it, pull the thermometer out, leave that there for a sec, go right on the flame. And I'll sear it with the lid off, just so I'm having a hard time focus with the snow. I'll sear it with the lid off so that it gets real hot down there. I want to get as hot as I can get it, and then I'll flip it about 2 minutes. And I want it to be dark, but the middle of that should be about a medium, rare medium. And yeah, we'll flip it in about 2 minutes here. That's been about 2 minutes. Take a look. Oh yeah, nice and dark. I want it to be nice and dark, get a good crust on it. And leave it there for another 2 or 3 minutes. Gotta let it get dark on the other side and bring it in, let it rest for about a half hour. We got medium rare.
Daddy, you're making
Steak. You want some?
steak.
You want some?
No.
No? Well, there it is. If you do Valentine's Day dinner and it's 20 degrees outside and 7 inches of snow in the time it took you to cook it, it's possible. So go ahead and light it up, try it for yourself, and see what I can do on the next video.